Minelab Update Utility. Head to minelab.com, click on Metal Detectors, select either the Equinox 800 or the Equinox 600 depending on which detector you want to update or roll back. We're opting for the Equinox 800. A new page will open. Just scroll down and then click on Downloads. A drop down list will appear. Click on Software and it brings up more options. From here, select whether you want to download for a Mac or download for Windows. Double click the icon on your desktop to open the utility. A screen will open like this. This is to download the latest update. Connect a detector with the cable you use to charge it with. An option screen appears. Click Install to install the latest software. The update utility will automatically download and install the latest software version. Quick checkup to make sure everything's okay, and then it's safe to disconnect your computer. The latest software has been installed. Rolling back the Equinox software is exactly the same as updating. Connect your computer. But in this case, click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Choose which version of software you want to roll back to. And hit the install button. The update utility automatically rolls back the software on the Equinox 800 and the 600. That's it, you've managed to roll back your software.